Hey, what's up, guys? Got this pretty nice little evap cooler here. This is pretty nice. Kind of runs off some water, so you have a little water tank back here, and then we turn it on, and you have your low, your medium, and your high. Now this is pretty good. This uses kind of like evap, which is like water, and kind of let it cool down the air. So if you live in like kind of like a dry place, like a desert, it works really good. If you look at the humidity, might not be as effective, but it works pretty well in the desert type climates. And there's a nice little water tank on here to got to keep like refilling it all the time, and it works pretty well. I mean, as I said, it's rechargeable and it does a pretty nice job of cooling down the air.